So Writing Instruments is, of course, one of the largest product groups here at Paperworld Middle East 2019. And it's no wonder why when you consider that in the UAE alone, the writing instruments market is expected to be worth 148 million by 2022. And of course, one of the key exhibitors at Paperworld Middle East that specializes in writing instruments is Linc Pen from India. And I have with me today Rohit Jalan, the Director of International Business at Linc. Rohit, thank you very much for joining us today. Linc, you've been in the business for a long time. You've been manufacturing pens for a long time. What have you got here at Paperworld Middle East?
So Paperworld Middle East is a good show for us. We've been part of it since it was introduced. Earlier it was only Frankfurt, right? And we've been able to, it's a good forum for us to meet our clients from Middle East, from Africa, and also explore new markets. And we get visitors from countries which we are not currently present in. So it's a good show and we look forward to it every year.
Cool, and now you're actually launching a pen here called Pentatonic. Take us through this particular pen here.
So this product is basically our flagship product now. It was introduced last year. This product is designed by one of the top class designers of Korea, and the designing fees itself says, the product says about the designing fees as well. And this is one product which has been globally accepted. At least 80% of our customers are already buying Pentatonic, or we are soon about to launch. And even in India, this is our top selling product at the price segment we cater to. And soon we will be making a good, breaking a good record, with this product within a very short span of time. So we are planning to introduce newer ranges as well, but we are very confident that this product should do, well and change.
Your pens are, of course, manufactured in India, but designed in Korea and exported to more than 50 countries throughout the world. The Middle East and African markets, what are some of the key growing markets for you?
In Middle East, we have Iran, Iraq, Yemen. These are our top markets. Even Saudi, we are exporting. Africa, we export to about 12 odd countries, out of which Sudan, Senegal, Kenya, Ethiopia are our key markets for the time being. DRC, Democratic Republic of Congo, is also a growing market for us, and we have good expectations. And in all these markets, we have already launched Pentatonic, and the response has been good as well.
All right, now let's go have a look at some of the other products, because Pentatonic is, of course, not the only product that Linc is showcasing here at Paperworld Middle East. We also have a sort of, I guess, what you would term as a more kind of high-end pen. Is that right?
That's correct. So this is meeting ball pen. It's a gold version. So we tried to do a lot of value addition to products, and there are certain markets in Middle East where this particular product, like Iran and Iraq particularly, is very popular. So I'm sure this product is liked by many customers, and it is also a forward-looking product for us.
Okay, and over here we have, looks like a Mech 7, a mechanical pen.
Yes, so mechanical pencil is a new category for us, and we are launching this in Paperworld this year. This is a very high quality product. Usually all the brands are using Chinese leads, but the leads we use are from Japanese, so they are really high quality lead pencils.
Rohit, I can already see that you've already got a lot of business meetings happening here at Paperworld Middle East, so I don't want to take too much more of your time, but you've been exhibiting at the show for quite a few years now. Who would you like to meet over the next 2 days of the show?
So we are basically looking to expand our footprint across Africa, because Africa is a huge market, and there are many markets actually in Africa where we are not yet present. So mostly Africa and Middle East we have mostly covered, except a few countries, and Africa of course is our first priority.
Rohit, thank you very much for your time, and good luck with the rest of Paperworld Middle East.